Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect an Arzopa portable monitor to your laptop. The first and most recommended method is using a USB-C to USB-C connection. Before starting, check your laptop carefully. Make sure it has a full-function USB-C port that supports video output. This port is usually marked with a small display symbol or a lightning icon. Once confirmed, take the USB-C cable provided with your Arzopa monitor. Connect one end to the monitor and the other end to your laptop's USB-C port. After connecting, the monitor should automatically turn on. Your laptop will detect the second screen, and it will start working without needing any extra power source. You can now extend or duplicate your display through your system settings. If your laptop does not support video output through USB-C, you can use the second method, which requires a mini HDMI cable along with a USB-C power connection. In this method, first connect the mini HDMI cable to the Arzopa monitor, then plug the other end into your laptop's HDMI port. This connection will only send the video signal, so the monitor will still need power separately. For power, use a USB-C to USB-A cable. Connect the USB-A end to the monitor and the USB-A end to a wall adapter or your laptop's USB port. Once both connections are made, the monitor will turn on and display your laptop screen. You can now adjust display settings based on your needs and enjoy using your portable second screen for work, study, or entertainment. Thanks for watching.